India's energy transition is gathering pace. The country already has over 150 gigawatts of installed solar capacity and is working towards 500 gigawatts of non-fossil power capacity by 2030. Reaching that ambition will take more than installing solar modules. It will require building the components behind them at scale and increasingly here in India. At Vishaka, we manufacture essential solar panel components, including solar glass, encapsulants, backsheets, and aluminium frames that help make renewable energy possible. Because powering India's future isn't just about generating energy, it's about building what makes that energy possible. Vishaka, building India's solar future, one component at a time.